Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I welcome you to the part 3 of the story Deep Water. I hope you have read all the parts before and read it text by text, word by word. So here I am with the part 3, the final part of the story Deep Water. So my dear students, if you are viewing me for the very first time, जाइए part 1 and part 2 देखकर आइए, तब इस पार्ट को व्यू कीजिएगा, आपको समझ में आएगी स्टोरी. द डीप वाटर इज ऑल अबाउट द एक्सपीरियंस, द मिसएडवेंचर एंड द ओवरकमिंग ऑफ द फियर. This handicap stayed with me as the years rolled by, in canoes in many lakes, fishing for landlocked salmon, bass fishing in New Hampshire, ट्राउट फिशिंग. जब भी मैं फिशिंग पर भी गया तब भी ये फियर वापस आया. Fishing for salmon on the Columbia, at Bumping Lake in the Cascades, wherever I went, the haunting fear of the water followed me. It ruined my fishing trips, deprived me of the joy of canoeing. Canoeing means boating. And swimming. I used every way I knew to overcome this fear, but it held me firmly in its grip. Finally, one October, I decided to get an instructor and learn to swim. I went to a pool and practiced 5 days a week, an hour each day. The instructor put a belt around me, a rope attached to the belt went through a pulley that ran on an overhead cable. He held on to the end of the rope. We went back and forth across the pool, hour after hour, day after day, week after week. On each trip across the bit of the panic seized me. Each time the instructor relaxed his hold on the rope, I went under. Some of the old terror returned and my legs froze. He was afraid. Even after years of having that fear of water, this person who is now trying to get out of this fear, and now when he has finally decided, he has hired one instructor that could teach him, that could make him come out of the fear. This person is still overpowered by that fear. That fear comes on coming back. Even after a rope is attached to him, we went back and forth. He held on to the end of the rope. On each trip across the pool, a bit of the panic seized me. So, each time the instructor relaxed, I am reading from here, each time the instructor relaxed his hold on the rope and I went under, some of the old terror returned and my legs froze. It was 3 months before the tension began to slack. So, for 3 months continuously, he has practiced swimming. He has practiced with a rope and rope tied to him. So it was 3 months before the tension began to slack, loosen out. Then he taught me to put my face under water and exhale, to raise my nose and inhale. I repeated the exercise hundreds of times. Bit by bit, I shed part of the panic that seized me. You can use the word seized. Seized means overpower, because that fear was overpowering him. He was trying to overpower that fear. Next, he held me at the side of the pool and had me kick with my legs. For weeks, I just did that. At first, my legs refused to work, but they gradually relaxed, and finally, I could command them. Thus, piece by piece, he built a swimmer, and when he had perfected each piece, he put them together into an integrated whole. In October, he started to learn swimming. In April, he said, "Now you can swim. Dive off and swim the length of the pool. crawl stroke. I did. The instructor was finished. Now the classes were finished and now I was on my own. I still wondered if I could be terror stricken. मुझे डर था क्या मैं सच में अभी भी डर जाऊंगा अगर मैं पूल में अकेला होऊंगा. I tried it. I swam the length up and down. Tiny vestiges of the old, tiny pieces of the old terror धीरे धीरे आते थे चले जाते थे क्योंकि मैंने प्रैक्टिस किया, सीज किया, ओवर पावर किया अपने फियर को. But now I could frown and say to that terror, trying to scare me, well, here's to you, look. And off I would go to another length of the pool. I started to swim on my own. This went on until July, but I was still not satisfied. I was not sure that all the terror had left. So I went to Lake Wentworth in New Hampshire, dived off a dock at Trigg Islands and swam 2 miles across the lake to Stamp-Act Island. I swam the crawl, breaststroke, जो भी practices मुझे मेरे instructors ने सिखाई थी, crawl, breast stroke, side stroke, back stroke, सब कुछ मैंने practice किया. Only once did the terror return. When I was in the middle of the lake, I put my face under and saw nothing but bottomless water. The old sensation returned in miniature. थोड़ा सा वापस आया. I laughed and said, well, Mr. Terror, what do you think you can do to me? It fled and I swam on. Yet I had residual doubts. At first opportunity, I hurried west, went to the Titan, to Conrad Meadows, up the Conrad's Creek Trail to Mead Glacier, camped in the high meadow by the side of Warm Lake. The next morning, I stripped, dived into the lake, swam across to the other shore and back, just as Doge Corpon used to do. I shouted with joy and Gilbert Peak returned the echo. Because I was in the middle of the lake with glaciers and mountains, they were returning the echo. I had conquered my fear of water. After months of practice from October to April, he had finally conquered the fear of water. The experience had a deep meaning for me, as only those who have known stark terror, जिन्हें पता है डर क्या होता है, conquered it can appreciate. In death, there is peace. There is terror only in the fear of death. अरे death बहुत peaceful है, डर सिर्फ death है, fear है कि death होगी. As Roosevelt knew when he said, all we have to fear, अरे डरना है तो डर से डरो, डर से बचने की कोशिश करो. Because I had experienced both the sensation of dying and the terror that fear of it can produce, the will to live somehow grew in intensity. At last I felt released, free to walk the trails and climb the peaks and to brush aside fear. Finally, I was free of the fear that equipped me. So, my dear students, if you have fear of something, do let me in the comment section below. On that note, we complete our textual analysis of deep water, and soon we will talk about the high level analysis of deep water. This is Dr. Neha. The theme is of overcoming the fear. In the high level section, we will talk about the vocabulary. We'll talk about the major thematic plot pattern for my students who want to gain good marks in the upcoming session. Thank you. Have a nice day.